Hi and welcome to this guided Thanksgiving gratitude meditation, the day where we say our thanks and share appreciation for all the things we have, all the people in our life, and for our strong health and body. It is a day filled with love, a day filled with joy, and a day filled with positivity. Too often, we take the things in our life for granted. We forget how good we have it until we no longer have those things or those people in our life anymore. So let us say our thanks today. If you are religious, you can say your thanks to your God. If you are not religious, simply direct your thanks at the universe. It does not matter to whom you say thanks, as long as you feel it inside of your heart, feeling the love and feeling the appreciation to raise your energy and to help you attract even more great things into your life. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath to clear your mind and body before we start. So inhale deeply all the way down into your stomach and exhale fully, letting go of negative energy and negative thoughts. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply. Just relax and enjoy the meditation. Now focus on the many great things you have in your life. The house that is keeping you warm and safe. The car that is taking you to where you need to go. Your education, which is truly a gift and a privilege. Take a moment to simply reflect on those things. You will then realize how many great things you already have in your life that is worth being thankful for. Now say in your mind or out loud, whatever is most comfortable to you. Thank you. Thank you for my beautiful home. A home filled with love. Keeping me safe. And keeping me warm. When I turn on the water, there is water. When I turn on the heat, there is heat. And when I turn on the light, there is light. What amazing inventions. Making my life simple. And making my life comfortable. Thank you. Thank you for the food that I eat. The food that I'm able to eat every day. Keeping me strong and keeping me healthy. I never go to bed hungry. and I know that is a privilege. I feel truly blessed. Thank you. Thank you for the people in my life. For my family that is always there for me. For my friends whom I can always count on. And for my partner who loves me dearly. I may take them for granted at times, but they mean the world to me. They are my home. They are my center. And they are always lifting me up. I love them with all of my heart. For always being there for me. And for always filling my life with love and happiness. Without them, my life would be empty. Thank you. Thank you for my health. For this perfect body I have. I love my body the way that it is. It is me. It is my temple. Thank you that my body is healthy. That I'm able to wake up each morning, seeing the sunlight, listening to the birds, feeling the wind on my skin, knowing I am okay. Without my health, I have nothing. And when I have my health, I have everything. So thank you. I thank you with all of my heart. For the things that I have. For the people in my life. And for my health. Then take a deep breath. And then slowly open your eyes. Feel the joy and gratitude in your heart. And keep that feeling of love and appreciation inside of you. Thanks for watching. Please support me on Patreon. Your help and kindness means so much to me. And thank you to all the people already supporting me. The link is in the description below. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.